So the drone will go away for 4 meters. As you can see, it's a bit windy today and the drone keep dancing in the air. So now you will be seeing the picture from the drone without any editing or color grading. After watching the recording, as you can see, there is no really issue. I don't see any cropping or dancing in the picture, and the resolution is still really quite high, like it's recording 4K without any issue, even it's a windy day. The next challenge is the rocket, where I set the drone to go up to 10 meters. Considering the size and weight of this drone, I was not expecting really magic to happen. But as you can see, the video was stable for about 7 meters up, and then the picture was a bit shaken. But still, in my opinion, to be honest, it's useful. You can still crop the video or use Adobe Premiere stabilization effect, which can fix this. So overall, I'm really happy with such tiny drone, especially since it's a cheap drone and records 4K. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.